notifications so you can get notified every time I post. Y'all, so I'm currently editing the video for Partisan Coffee in Greenville. Yeah, I didn't get to do an introduction to the video, so I just want to jump on real quick and do this quick introduction. I got to set in one of my dream muscle cars, and if you guys know what that is, you watch the video. If you know what it is, if you know what it is, jot down in the comment section below and tell me what it is. And if not, just watch the video and tell me what is your dream car. How about that? Yeah, at the end of the video, comment what's your dream muscle car, or even your dream car or whatnot. Make sure you drop that in the comment section below. With that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you can get notified every time Shay posts. Yeah, so let's get into the video. This also look like a frame off wheel, y'all. Now, y'all, I know this is the car I want.
It's very simple.
And it's already in the purple. I like it. But no sunroof, but still. And it's 6-speed, man. This look like a cycle. It's flipping. Cook exhaust, I think. Let's say cook. It look like cook exhaust. This junk flipping. This junk flipping. I'm good cap. Oh, they got YouTube. I like C10s. My uncle had a long bed, kind of like that, Chevrolet, fully built.
Yeah, that's small muscle, aren't they? Well, he took the engine out of the Trans Am that you put it through. I think he used to chop it.
Are you on
I can't believe he used to chop it.
Y'all, this is the car that I'm going to gap a lot of family members in. Like T-top, same body style, same gear, man. I want this. I'm actually looking for one right now, but this is nice. This is a red sport right here, you guys. This is a red sport. This is a red sport. Oh, I like this metallic, bruh. And the blue. So y'all, I walked up on this G35, and it's like touch. So if anybody know, you got like 3 different filters on here. So I don't know what it's on, but it's built. I like this color though.
I kind of like that.
It's like an orange type pearl on it with a pearl on it. Oh, orange 35. Yeah, I like this. Totally not bought. That's cool. Yeah, y'all, he spent some money into this. Yeah, everything's been touched. Hey, you think she could hit the gas? You can hit the gas? No, I don't think so. That junk is nice, bro. I like that blue too.
Yeah, that blue hit different.
That blue hit different, bro.
Yeah.
Y'all looking bash over here trying to show out for the one time.
She didn't clean my sink.
yellow brake calipers pop, they different. That Challenger? Look at Bash, y'all. Look at Bash. Look at the lineup, boy. Look at Bash. Alright, y'all. So, y'all know I got a 98 Maxima. Oh, this clean right here, too. That's clean. That's definitely clean right there. But this is clean. That's definitely clean. But y'all know I got 98 Maxima, right? But I must say, he has put some money in this. Hey buddy, if you watch my YouTube videos, if you want to buy my Maxima, it's for sale. They already got the aftermarket lights on and everything. But yeah, this is clean. Like this right here is clean. Like this is clean, bro. But if you want to buy my Maxima, just let me know, man. It already got little side markers. It got all the aftermarket lights and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Just let me know if you want to buy it now. But this is clean right here, y'all. I must say this is clean. He got the whole tune like set up in the car and everything, y'all. You good? It's John nice. Like a Yukon like that. Yeah, I think, no, that's an Escalator, but the Yukon like that year model. I like this look. I just want to wrap up the video for Cars and Coffee. I guess I was so overly excited that I didn't really make a good wrap up to the video or whatnot. Just want to jump on and say, just chase your dreams and your goals, and anytime you get close to the finish line, don't give up, because that's when you're going to face your most complicated and hardest challenges in life. So continue to reach for your goal, and when you get close to achieving your goal, jump over those hurdles and obstacles so you can obtain your goal. With that being said, y'all, we are out.